Now this question says solve 3x minus 10 equal to x plus 30. And this other one says simplify 6e plus 5f plus e minus 3f. Now this will bring us to a topic I titled linear expressions and equations. How to either solve them, simplify them and all that. Let's start with linear expressions. For example, 6e plus 5f plus e minus 3f. What's the difference between a linear expression and linear equation? A linear expression is just an expression in terms of either x or y or e or letters and things like that, but it doesn't have an equal to sign. If this has maybe equal to 3 or equal to 0, once an equal to comes in, it becomes a linear equation. Okay, so since there's no equal to sign, it's just this way, it's a linear expression. So what they just want you to do is to reduce it to its most compact term or its most compact form. Okay, now to do this, we have to gather like terms first. All the e's, all the ones that have e's together, all the ones that have f's together. So we have 6e. Now another one that has e is plus e, so we'll write plus e. Okay, you could be making small marks on the ones we are picking so that we won't get confused, because there are some expressions that they can have 6e plus 5f plus e minus 3f plus 10f plus, just like that. So they become so many, and if you're not making little marks on the ones you've picked, you might just get confused. Now 6e plus e. Okay, now the whole e's are finished. The next ones to pick are the f's. So the first one is plus 5f, so you write plus 5f. The next one is minus 3f. Okay, and this will be 6e plus e is 7e, and then plus 5f minus 3f is plus 2f. Now this is just the expression. This is the most compact way that it can be. Okay, now that's it for linear expression. Now the basic thing about linear expression is for you to know that you have to gather the like terms together. When you simplify them, you bring them down. If for example this was 8e plus 2f, we would have still wanted to factorize it and make it more compact by gathering like terms. Between 8 and 2 is common, so you have 2 into 4e plus f. Okay, so we try to reduce it to the simplest form as much as possible. That's all about linear expressions. Now let's go to linear equation. Now for this one, we're asked to solve 3x minus 10 equal to x plus 30. Okay, you've seen that equal to, that's what makes it a linear equation. Okay, now we gather like terms to the way we did for that one, but when gathering like terms here, we have to always ensure that when we take something from one side of the equal sign to another side, the sign must change. Now bringing this down, we have 3x. Let's take all the x to this side. Okay, now plus x going over to this x to this side becomes minus x. Okay, then we'll bring down our equal to, let's take all the non-x to this side. Okay, this one plus 30 comes down as 30, then minus 10, when it goes over to this side, it becomes plus 10. Okay, now let's go through this again. First of all, we'll bring down our plus 3x. We want to take all the x, all the unknowns to this side, and all the knowns to this side. Okay, now 3x plus x coming over to this side becomes minus x equal to 30. Minus 10 coming over becomes plus 10. So we have 3x minus x is 2x equal to 40. Therefore your x will be 40 divided by 2, and that's 20. So that's basically how you solve linear expressions and equations.